Are you guys ready for some Thanksgiving DIYs on a budget? The whole thing cost me almost nothing. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my voice, it's flu season and my voice is totally down. So if you are new here, it's so nice to have you here. Please hit the subscribe button before your way out so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'm gonna show you how I decorated the centerpiece of our dining room table. Also some super easy DIYs which saved me a lot. I did it under $5. I reused the stuff I already had at home from my previous projects. Hope you really like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like and share button, and also comment below and let me know which one is your favorite one. Can't wait to show you my DIY, so let's start. These are the pumpkins I bought for Halloween from Dollar Tree like 2 months ago. These are the real pumpkins I bought from Walmart. Those were for cooking, but I preserved the stalks and then I painted them gold. I already had this wrapping paper at home, which I bought from TJ Maxx. And I took one of the pumpkins I painted gold for Halloween decor, and I cut the paper in small pieces. I already had some Mod Podge at home. I just pour a little in a container and apply the glue under and above the paper piece so that the paper looks like a part of the surface. There should not be any imperfection. We need plenty of glue to blend it properly, and I finished the whole bottle. This is the complete look and I'm so much in love with it. I will let it dry and later hot glue one of the gold painted stalks. This is definitely looking elegant. What do you think? Now took another pumpkin which was painted gold already and started coloring black. I'm using a black acrylic color which I already had for previous projects, and I bought it from Walmart. I would intentionally leave a little gold visible underneath so that it looks metallic. Once I'm done, I will let it dry. I had this floral foam disc at home for a previous project and I bought it from Dollar Tree. Hot gluing some jute rope around it, and this rope is from Walmart. Once I'm done, I will just let it dry, and it dries immediately. Now I'm pouring some glue on top of it and equally spreading it. Now I'm gently placing some moss I already had at home. I bought them a few years ago for a different project, and I think that was Thanksgiving as well. And I bought it from Dollar Tree, of course. Again, once I'm done, I will let it dry. It's dry now. I will attach a toothpick in the middle of the disc. This pumpkin is dry now. I'm gonna attach the remaining gold stalk the same way I did for the other one. Now I will just place it on the toothpick to attach them together. And this is the simplest DIY for today. All I need is a scissor, some jute rope and a cylinder. I would recommend you to use a longer cylinder if possible. That will give you a puffier and fuller pumpkin. I only had this glass handy, so I didn't bother to search for a longer cylinder, but I think you should go for a longer one. Once I'm done, I will keep my finger in the middle of the rope and slowly remove it from the glass. I should have two ends now. I'm gonna tie them together and try to spread the rings. Once I'm satisfied with the look, I will place in a cinnamon stick in the middle. As I said, a longer cylinder would have make a fuller and more beautiful pumpkin, but this one turned out well and I'm happy with it. This farmhouse style pumpkin didn't take long to make. If you already have a double-sided sequin cushion at home, then this one is for you. You can always buy cushions, but good ones are always pricey. So I just used my existing pillow and got a little creative. Ta-da! I kept it on a bed because that's where it belongs. You can also keep it on a couch and it will be a showstopper. It's time for another DIY. Took some dry branches from our garden. I already had these spray paints from Walmart. One is orange and red. Now just spraying randomly. First the orange color and then the red one. First thing first, I'm cleaning up the dining table before anything and it's a mess. I'm gonna clean up the surface now. I bought these pearls long ago from Walmart and now I'm gonna just hot glue them with the branch. Grabbed some pine cones from the garden and attaching them with the napkin holders I had. So the way I'm using the napkin is I'm opening it completely and then holding the middle point and then passing through the napkin holder. This way it will look like a flower on the top and a cone-like shape below, if it makes sense. Now I just spent $3 for these glasses from Dollar Tree and spent $1 for this set of white plates. I already had these black plates at home. If you noticed, so far I have only spent $4. It's show time. I already spread the table mats, placing white plates on top of black plates. Now placing the napkins on top of white plates. It's time to place the glasses now. Last but not least, cutleries, and I'm using my existing one. Hanging some acrylic crystal beads I had. Just in case you were wondering, I stuck those sticks in the foam disc. So that's it for today. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you really enjoyed it, and also share with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment below and let me know which one is your favorite and what kind of new DIYs you want me to do for my next video. And again, if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And I come every week with my new videos, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, enjoy your Thanksgiving with your family and friends. Stay well. Bye.